We're in chord word again.
Yes, today we'll do a summary of all the major chords we studied.
All of them together. Good idea. Shall we start with the A?
Good idea. All the fingers involved are on the second fret.
I'm playing. E, fourth string. A, third string. And C sharp, second string.
Let's go with a B.
Which is like an A, 2 frets down. Okay, forefinger on the first string, second fret. And the other fingers like this.
That is F sharp, B, and D sharp.
Now I move to C. Forefinger on the second string, first fret. Middle finger on the fourth string, second fret. And ring finger on the fifth string, third fret.
Yes, C, E, and C. Playing all together, we also get the open G string, which completes the chord of C.
Here's the D. Second fret. Forefinger on third string. Middle finger on first string. Third fret. Ring finger on second string. A, F sharp, and D.
Let's play an E now.
First fret. Forefinger on third string. Second fret. Middle finger on fifth string. Ring finger on fourth string.
G sharp, B, and E. Now, give me an F.
Here it comes. The Mi bar with forefinger on first fret. Then I simply move the E chord one fret down.
And the notes are, from the bottom up, F, C, A, F, and C. Now, let's go with the last one, the G chord.
Second fret, middle finger on the 5th string. Third fret, ring finger on the 6th string. And pinky on the 1st string.
And the notes are B, G, and G. Playing all the strings, we also get D on its open string. That's all. Good job!
Thanks!